Hello, this is an RD350LC, it's my mate's. Just going to do a refurb on it for him. Going to completely strip it right down, get all the frame powder coated. We're going to redo the engine casings because they're a bit tatty. The cylinder head and barrel, it's a bit tatty, so we're going to repaint that. The forks, going to put new oil in, new seals while that's apart. And I think the top yoke's a little bit tatty, so we're probably going to powder coat that as well. I know the frames on these are normally painted, but he wanted it powder coated, so it's up to him. There's going to be people out there who are going to moan and say it shouldn't be powder coated, but yeah, that's the best thing to do really. It lasts a lot longer. Yeah, we're going to polish the wheels up, repaint the wheels as well. Just go through the rest of the bike really. As you take it apart, we're going to completely strip it, and then as you put it back together, we just go through all the other parts and just see if anything needs to be done. It will do, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let's get it stripped down and see you in a bit. little top tip of the day for you. If you're going to be taking the oil pump off, just be a bit careful when you pull it off. Can you see that? When you pull it off in there, there's a little shim. If you can see that, there's a little shim there, little washer shim type thing. Also, it just helps take the ply out of the shaft. So just be careful when you pull it off, it don't fall out and you don't realise it's there, you know. And obviously when you put the pump back on, just make sure you put it back on there. That's a top tip of the day. And another thing as well, if you've got the casings off, you want to check the clutch basket rubbers, because they're quite prone for these to go. But this one's got about 5 mil on it or so. As you see, it's not major, but that's getting worn. So I'll have a word, see if he wants to replace them or not. So that's his bike, it's up to him. Yeah, other than that, it's going alright so far. He's going to be coming in a minute, give me a hand to take the engine out, so that'll be out soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because that'll help me out, that'd be great. Alright, thanks. Well, that's the bike all stripped down now. That's a good frame really, just a few little rust spots on it, but we'll get it powder coated and that all looks sweet. So, and we'll also got loads more to do. Got to polish and paint all the wheels and do the forks, and we're going to do the engine casings, paint them, and so there's loads of bits. So there's loads of things coming up. So look out for the next video. There'll be plenty of them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks.